Frugal people don't just pinch pennies. We also think carefully before spending big. Like, really think. Ever wondered if that new $500 appliance is actually worth it? Or whether buying a used car instead of leasing is the smarter move? Well, I will let you in on a trick straight from the business world. It's called capital budgeting, and it can help you make smarter financial decisions at home. Businesses use capital budgeting to decide if a big investment will pay off. But what if you use the same method for your personal spending? Let me show you how to turn corporate strategy into frugal magic. Capital budgeting sounds fancy, but it's just a way of asking, is this expensive thing going to pay me back, and when? Businesses use it for million-dollar projects, but you can use it for your big buys: a car, a washer and dryer, solar panels, even a college degree. Let's break it down. There are 3 basic steps. How much does it cost upfront? How much will it save or earn over time? Is the benefit greater than the cost? Let's say I want to buy a chest freezer for $300. Why? Because I bulk cook and freeze meals. And meat is way cheaper in bulk. Now, here's the budgeting logic. It costs $300 upfront. I save around $25 a month by cooking in bulk and avoiding waste. That means in 12 months, I've saved $300. I've broken even. Everything after that, profit. That's a 1-year payback period, which is pretty great. In the finance world, they call this net present value, NPV. You don't need to be a math nerd, just think of it like this. If I spend X dollars now, will it give me more than X dollars back in savings within a few years? If yes, it's a smart buy. If no, it's a maybe or a no. This applies to so many things. Buying versus leasing a car, installing LED lights, even switching to cloth napkins instead of paper towels. Here's a real example. I bought a used bread maker for $30. That sounds random, right? But I calculated. I spend $3 per loaf. Homemade bread costs me 80 cents. I bake 4 loaves a month. That's $8.80 per month saved. In 4 months, it paid for itself. Now it saves me about $100 per year, and it smells amazing. This is capital budgeting, my friends. But frugal style. Not every big expense is worth it. Some things look good but don't pay you back. Example, I almost bought a Peloton bike. $1,500. Would I use it enough to justify the cost? Or could I walk, bike outdoors, or get a used one for $200? Ask yourself, will I really use this regularly? Can I get a similar benefit cheaper? Is it just a status buy? Frugal living isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. The more you apply this capital budgeting mindset to your spending, the more you'll find. You stop impulse buying. You delay gratification and feel empowered by it. You invest in things that actually improve your life. So next time you're about to make a big purchase, even a $100 one, pause and ask, what's my return on investment? That's how frugal people win. Not just by saving money, but by making every dollar work for us. If you like this tip, you'll love what's coming next. I'm breaking down 10 more frugal habits that save me over $5,000 a year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your frugal-minded friends. And remember, frugality isn't sacrifice, it's strategy. Subscribe for more frugal tips